Go around, come here, and go up. Yes, good boy. Look at you, stay there. Is that a good boy or what? So, again, today here we are unboxing this seating arrangement from Costco. We have that here, and then we have the carpet already rolled out. And then no playing here. Get out of my way. Get off. Off. Move. And yeah, we just have to put it together. I just don't know where to start. My God. Look at all this shit. So now I have to open this sack up. A lot of cardboard from China or wherever this comes from. Huh? This is how this looks like. It's like getting an engine out of an engine block. This is hard. This is hardened. So it has a lot of humidity it sucked in already. Wow. Do not eat pillows and shit. Yeah, but if this thing is outside, then it will have a lot of humidity in it. Goes in here like this, and then those 8 screws come together. So it's 8 screws, and the question is this really necessary? Where's my fingers? Here. I hope it focuses. Do I need Loctite on here? You know, or not? I'm glad there's the carpet here. Just have to put 8 on here. So if this is aluminum, then it shouldn't be mounted on here too hard. You need to be careful how much torque you use to mount this. Okay, all the screws are on there. I just need to find the tool. You know? I'm gonna get an electric tool for this. You know, to do this. Look at the mess. So much shit on there. Yeah, look at that. Oh God. So now I can sit here. Oh, this is lightweight aluminium, so it's easy to carry. And I just have to take the stuff off here. The pillows smell like plastic. Alright, so we have all this garbage here. That, and then of course a garbage bag full of garbage. And then here we have the carpet and everything. And the seating area here. All the tags still on it. So far so good. Yeah, this thing can swivel. And that's how that looks like. Costco. Oh my God. This sits better than the chairs though. And now I have the dog right here with me.